Look at this guy, dude. Oh, dude, that's crazy. What the hell, dude? There's some guy kayaking down this shit.